Show me.
Brooks.
I got nothing but eyes bubbling.
What's 1 plus 2?
Windows for you.
Ano daw?
1 plus 2 windows for you.
What's the square root of 36? I asked you this question before.
Square root of 36.
Gonna
36.
be an engineering lawyer.
What was the question again?
You're gonna laugh at this when you see it. I'm gonna put it on Facebook. How would you feel if I put this video on Facebook?
No.
That would be super awesome freak. That face just weird.
Siguro. Nagdam na lang siya.
How many fingers am I holding?
I can't get my eyes open.
Okay.
Enough.